Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are having a great day. So today we are going to talking about tips for writing the best speech. So let's begin. Here are the contents that we are going to discuss today. So what is exactly the speech writing is? It is a method of conveying thoughts or messages to readers using correct punctuations and expressions. Speech writing is just like narrative writing. So what are types of speech writing? There are numerous types of speeches. However, they are categorized into four main concepts: entertaining speech. Its purpose is to entertain and amuse the audience. Less formal, more emotive. Informative speech. It aims to educate the audience about a certain topic. It simplifies complex theories into simpler ideas. Demonstrative speech. It provides information about how to do a certain thing. Persuasive speech. In this speech, the writer tries to prove why his or her point of view is right. Format of speech writing. Introduction. Provides a brief preview of the topic and an overview of the speech. It should be factual, interesting, and convincing. Body. Main ideas of the speech along with their supporting statements. It should be organized. Conclusion. It should be something that the audiences should take with them. It could be a call to take an action, a story, a reminder, or a summary. So here are the do's and don'ts of speech writing. The writer should use active voice rather than passive voice. All the claims and information presented in the speech should be backed up by evidence. The information should be credible. The tone of the writer should not be biased. Before you write, remember that every speech has something of you in the writing. Don't take that away when you write. Be yourself. Be comfortable in your own skin. So here is a famous saying by Phil Collins regarding speech writing. Last, we are going to discuss some tips for writing best speech. Purpose: it should be clear. Know the audiences. Message should not be overly lengthy. It should be concise. Tone should be positive and not aggressive or harsh. Hook the audiences in introduction. The writer should follow proper structure and provide information based on facts. There should be no grammar mistakes. Well, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also, please visit the website mentioned below to avail the discount we are offering.